The National Weather Service in Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay north of the line between East Point, New Jersey and Slaughter Beach, Delaware, including Reedy Point and Stony Point, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms producing wind 34 knots or greater from 6 nautical miles southwest of Reedy Point to 9 nautical miles west of Stony Point, moving east to 25 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near 3 nautical miles south of Reedy Point by 7:30 p.m. over Stony Point by 7:35 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain. Boaters, seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
At 7 p.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, a thunderstorm was reported.